Hi guys, welcome back to another section. Today we are discussing how to apply Hungary visa from UAE, and go to the official website of VFS. And from here, first step will be, as I mentioned earlier, we have to book the appointment. Appointment will be open regular intervals. You have to keep on check and you will get the dates. After you get the date, we have to do the rest of documentation. From here, apply for a visa. From here, we have to select identify visa type. For short stay visa, we can apply business and tourism. So I'm just mentioning here tourism, and you can see here the visa fees and all. Visa fees are same like other Schengen visa. It's coming around 500 dirhams apart from the appointment fee. And this is the document checklist. You can look out the checklist: application, original passport, UAE residency minimum 3 months, photos, NOC, bank statement required 6 months, and travel insurance, flight and hotel reservation. These are documents requirement. Now we can see application form. We have to do the PDF. You can download and you can fill it by PDF. Very simple form. And you can identify country, the application form belongs to which country, and you can easily find out from here. You can see they mention here Budapest. So mostly they will mention the capital, country capital name on bottom of application. Accordingly, you can identify you are filling correct application. After that, you have to visit VFS for submission. Hope you guys understand about Hungary visa. Any question you can put on comment. Thank you for watching. We will see you in another video.